Uses of Robots by Sara El-Subairi. A robot is a machine that is designed to do tasks without the help of a person or human. Robots are very helpful in our lives, and by each day they get more and more skilled, and they are faster than humans. They can even work in restaurants. Robots eliminate dangerous jobs for humans. They can even help in hospitals and manufacturing, assembly and packing. Laboratory research. Robots can be found in many places, like stores and many more. And finally, if robots didn't exist, life would be more and more difficult. So robots are very important in our lives. Robots really made our lives easier.